Welcome to the Anna Darpan engineering demo. In this video, we will demonstrate how an engineering work request is created at the depot level and then forwarded through the approval hierarchy up to the zonal office. This process ensures proper technical scrutiny, accountability, and controlled decision-making before any engineering work is approved or rejected. The process begins at the depot, where an engineering work request is initiated based on operational requirements. The manager depot, or manager engineering, or junior engineer at the depot creates the work request. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance, Work Request. Enter the work name, and select the activity. Enter estimated cost and priority. Choose the date of submission, and upload supporting documents. Add work item details included in the work, and click Submit. View the created work request by clicking on the View icon. Once the work request is created, it must be forwarded to the next hierarchy level for review and decision. Log in with DO level credentials either as Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer, or Divisional Manager at Divisional Office. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance, Approval Work Request. Locate the submitted work request. Click the forward icon to send it to the regional office. Senior engineering authorities review the forwarded request and take the final decision. Log in with GM Regional, or DGM Engineering, or AGM Engineering at the regional office. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance, Approval Work Request. Open the forwarded work request, and review the request details. Click the forward icon to send it to the zonal office. Click on the View icon to view the work request details. The zonal office engineering authorities review the forwarded request and take the final decision. Log in with GM Engineering, or DGM Engineering at the zonal office. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance, Approval Work Request. Open the forwarded work request from the regional office, and review the request details. Click on the View icon to view the work request details. Click on the Back to List to navigate to previous page. Click Approve or Reject, based on evaluation. This completes the workflow for forwarding an engineering work request from the depot to the regional office, ensuring structured approvals and transparent decision-making across all hierarchy levels. Thank you.